Yung passion namin, yung persistent, yung dedication sa in anything we do po. Kahit mahirap po, parang huwag kang titigil. Kasi kung hindi mo man naging okay itong ginawa mo itong today, tomorrow, maybe maging okay po. So yun po, yung parang never give up. And then always, siguro po ako kasi I'm working with my husband. Ito gusto ko lang din sabihin sa ibang mga partners na when you choose your partner in life, napakalaki pong bagay na ang kasama niyo po ay kasama niyo sa pag-unlad na tinutulungan po kayong itaas. Pag nakita niyo na po ang mga ladies na yung kasama niyo lagi kayong pinupull down, that's a red flag already.
Dr. Hope, maybe have your reaction.
Yeah, we always talk to our kids about that. It's like, you know, discover something that you're passionate about and something you're happy doing, and if you're happy doing that, you'll never work a day in your life. And so that's the one thing about chiropractic. I'm very excited every day to go to work and help people naturally discover something that possibly could change their life. So that's still extremely gratifying after 24 years. So passion, having that drive, persistence, like Patricia said, don't quit. You know, those are the keys to success.
That's right. Patricia, any updates sa showbiz, career life? Anong aabangan namin sa iyo? If you're Amy.
Alam niyo po yung asawa ko po, parati po ako niya, asawa, don't forget who you are, ganon. Sinasabi niya lagi sa akin na, kaso nga lang po, siguro ngayon po kasi yung stage na parang very hands-on po kasi ako sa mga clinics namin. And gusto ko muna po talagang lahat maging maayos po yan. At kung meron po ako talagang natitirang oras, gusto ko pa rin po i-continue ang aking pong pag-aartista po kung may maganda pong offer na movies or teleserye.
Pero hindi ka naman niya pinagbabawalan.
Ay, hindi po. Siya pa nga po yung lagi nagsasabi sa akin na, asawa, I married Patricia Javier. The actress, where is she? Ganun. Bisa binibiro lang naman po niya ako. So, wala po akong problema dun sa area na yun. Siguro po ngayon lang more on the time.
Salamat po, congratulations.
Okay, happy birthday. Miss Patricia, ilang branches na ba ang Doc Robs?
Ngayon po, 6 na po tayo.
6 branches. Since when was it founded ba talaga? Yung nag-start talaga kayo?
Talagang nag-start kami na may BIR na kami. Ano po, 2016.
2016. Bakit sa time na to, kailangan mo mag-focus sa Doc Rob? Ano yung pinag-uugutan mo?
Kasi po, ever since naman na nag-start kami ng business talaga ni Doc Rob, si Doc Rob po, talagang siya, ang gusto ko sa kanya, focus siya sa pasyente para maibigay niya 100% niya na hindi niya iisipin kung meron bang problema sa isang clinic, may ganito. So, yung part na yun, nasa akin po lahat yun. Ako po yung pinaka-operational manager ng clinics po namin. So, marami pong, kailangan po ng maraming time, marami pong kailangan ibigay para sa mga bawat clinic. Then, we wanna make sure each clinics po talaga ay standard by Doc Rob. Na paglabas po ng mga pasyente sa aming clinic, masaya sila, relax sila, nakuha nila yung talagang parang hinahanap nila na mabigyan sila ng magandang lunas.
Doc Rob, I think you're practicing chiro when did you start?
When did I start?
Yeah.
I graduated from chiropractic school in 2000.
2000. And you've been practicing outside of the Philippines?
Yeah, US for 14 years in San Diego.
How was it, that 14 years before you came to the Philippines?
Great. I love San Diego. We had a great practice in San Diego on the beach. And we had a great house in San Diego. So we were at a great, nice life in San Diego. Somebody came and offered to buy my clinic. And so it was just a great opportunity. I've been in school my whole life, and then I had my chiropractic clinic for 14 years. So it was a great opportunity to finally be free from anything holding me. And so that's when we decided to take this opportunity to come to the Philippines while the kids were young and just experience the Philippines.
Tell us about your background in chiropractor. In doing chiropractor. Did you went to school? What was your background?
Yeah, so I graduated